Okay guys, so you see the skin tags, look at them from here, all here. So I just wanted to show you guys what my face looks like before I start the treatment. Okay, and then look at here as well, you can see them coming out one after the other. So I'm going to start the treatment. I just want to show you guys. And so yeah, just a disclaimer, I'm not a professional or a skin doctor or something like that. I'm only sharing a home remedy that I used that worked for me. So just in case you decide to try it out, okay? So that said, let's get started. And guys, watch this video to the end, because after applying the mixture, I'll tell you guys what you can apply on your face, okay? The after treatment. All right, let's go. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get rid of skin tags on your face or on your neck or anywhere you have it. But to start with, the first thing we're going to be needing is banana. Okay, you see that this banana is so ripe. In fact, it's getting overripe. I've been keeping it for this video. Okay, so the more it ripes, the better. So what we are going to be using is just some amount of the banana. I'll keep that aside. I'm going to be needing this. So you just get the banana peel. Okay, we'll still use some of the banana anyway. So you get the banana peel. Some people, they just use their spoon to scoop the inside like this. But for me, I use both the peel and everything. So I'm just showing you guys. So this is my little blender cup. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and cut this into small bits. Okay, so I'll put that there. Just some slices of the banana. Okay, just make the quantity that will be enough for you, because you don't want to be blending or doing this mixture every day. Okay, yeah, because the treatment lasts between 5 to 7 days. Okay, you can make the mixture at once. Just make one batch that will be able to last you for that 7 nights. But for me, I apply this only in the night, so you can make it at once, put it in the fridge. So the next ingredient is garlic. So I'll just chop the garlic just a little bit, put in the blender. The third thing will be vinegar. So I'm going to be adding 2 teaspoons of the vinegar. And then the next thing is lemon. This is a small size lemon. You see the way the juice is pouring, because of one hack I used to get this much. So you can use half of the lemon juice. You just squeeze everything in there. We'll be adding baking soda. Okay, again, just 1 teaspoon is enough. Okay, so having put all this together, let's go and blend. And lastly, we'll be adding some olive oil. Okay, but not now, after the blending. Okay, if it's not getting too smooth, maybe it needs a little more liquid to be very smooth, because you can see how it is. Then you add a little more vinegar. Okay, I added 2 more teaspoons. So we blend again. Yeah, you see it is much better now. So let's go and continue. Yeah, so after blending, I'm going to transfer it in this small bowl. Then, like I said, lastly, we are going to add some olive oil, or if you have coconut oil as well, you can add. If you have honey, add. So just again 1 teaspoon of olive oil, just to give it that moisture when you apply it. Okay, it won't be too dry. Just mix everything well, and guys, yeah, this is it. The mixture is ready. Okay, so let's go and do the main work. Skin tag. One thing you need to know about skin tags is it's a very, very stubborn thing. Very, very, very stubborn. So if you just do the mixture and you apply it just like this, the way it is, I tell you, even before I'm making this video, I've been applying this thing for over a week. No result. Nothing happened. So what I realized is, for it to work, for you to have a faster result, it's better to kind of find a way and open the skin tag. Okay, just give it a little opening, no matter how small, so that when you now apply the mixture, it should be able to penetrate, and it hurts. Okay, that's another thing. Some of these people that say use this or that to treat your skin tags, that's one of the things they don't mention. They don't tell you that it hurts. It hurts, but not to that extent that you can't bear. At least for me, I can bear it. It's not that, you know, hot, like too hot. But so for me, what I use a needle. Okay, I use a needle. You can use a pin. So that said, like I said, I'm just going to can you see? So I just find a way. Can you see? You see? So when I drag it like that, it kind of gives it opens it. So I'll be doing it like that till then. I will now apply the substance. Okay, so if you start bringing out blood, you just clean it, and then we start applying the mixture. So you just focus on the affected areas. You don't have to apply this all over your face, but you can still use it as your face mask. But for me, I made it specifically for this. So this is not my face mask. Ooh, like I said, guys, this hurts, but not that kind of hot that you can't bear it. So like I said, all these people that will say treat skin tags, and you show us how to mix this and that to treat it, and then you apply it on your palm where you don't have the skin tag. So I wonder what they are showing us. So I'll just apply it on the affected area. So as you can see, that is it. So I'm going to carry this as long as I can. And one thing I don't do is, for me, I don't wash it off. Okay, so what I do, I will allow this to dry. When it's completely dry, I'll just peel off all these things, peel them off, maybe use a tissue or something, just clean there a little bit, and I'll leave my face. I don't wash it off. I'll go to bed like that. But I don't carry this to bed so that it doesn't stain my pillows. So I'll allow it to dry completely. Then I can carry this for 3-4 hours, as long as it takes before I go to bed. I can carry it. I do this every night until I see that all the skin tags are gone. This is what I'll be doing. So if you have any other remedy, any other thing one can do to get skin tags off his or her face or neck or wherever it is on the body, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, so see you all later. Yay! Woohoo! Hooray! Okay guys, so look at my face. Oh guys, let me bring the camera closer. As you can see, the skin tags are gone. they are gone, as in completely gone. So today is like the 7th day. Okay, I've been delaying to make this video like for 2 days now. So I've been applying that mixture on my face every single night. So the skin tags are completely gone. So I'm only waiting for the kind of the scars to clear off, which is clearing off gradually. So right now, if you touch my face, it's very smooth. It's not like before when I touch my cheek like this, rather. Yes, I'll be feeling the tags. Okay, you can see my face before and what it is right now. And the next 2 3 days, you'll see the tags peeling off. When you touch it like this, you'll be able to peel it off, and that's why you have this little tiny marks. So right now I'm not using the mixture anymore because the skin tags are gone. So the only thing I'm applying on my face now is shea butter. Okay, just to get the dark spots completely out and then get back the normal color of my face. All right, so thank you all so very much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye.